This plantain and beans combination is everything and more. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step techniques to achieve soft, delicious beans and beautifully roasted plantains with the right texture and taste. Whether you're cooking for a quick meal or a more formal setting, this recipe is reliable, affordable, and always enjoyable. Now, let's begin. Start by selecting the beans, removing the dirt, the stones, okay? Afterwards, wash it, sieve, and set aside. Now, in a pot, go in with some water, bring to a boil, and introduce the washed beans. This is 3 cups of black eye beans. You can use more or less. It all depends on the portion you want to make. Now, cover it up and allow to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Checking back after 2 minutes. It's more like parboiling it, okay? So now I'll go ahead and wash it, drain, and transfer back to the pot. Now I'll go ahead and introduce my fish stock. Go in with more water. The water should be very much above the beans. Remember, we want it soft, so add enough water, okay? Now I'll go ahead and season with some salt and some diced onions. We want it tasty as well. Give it a quick stir and cover it up and allow to cook until the beans is soft and tender. Now, while the beans is cooking, let's go ahead and get our pepper sauce ready. So in here, I've got some Scotch bonnets. I'm using 4 and 2 red long pointed peppers, 2 red bell peppers, and 2 medium-sized onions. Go ahead and cut them up, but before then, make sure to wash them, okay? Now, transfer in a blender, give it a smooth or rough blend and set aside. Now, let's move on. Introducing the second star ingredient to this recipe, plantains. These are semi-ripe and very ripe plantains. Let's go ahead and roast. We'll start by peeling it and season with some salt. Rub in the salt all over the plantains using your hands. Afterwards, transfer on your baking tray and pop into the oven or your air fryer and roast. You can as well use the charcoal method. I also splashed in some olive oil on the plantains, so do not skip it. Now I'll pop into the oven and allow to roast, okay? While that is happening, let's move on to the next stage. In a pan or pot, go in with reasonable amount of your palm oil. Once it is heated, go in with some salt. Introduce your diced onions. Give it a stir and allow to fry for a minute or until fragrant. At this point, go ahead and introduce the pepper mix blend. Pour that in, give it a nice stir and allow to fry for some minutes, okay? If you do not have palm oil or you can access it, you can make do of your olive oil. But I tell you, palm oil is the best for this recipe. Because 1, it's a local dish. Secondly, it helps boost the color and the flavor of this dish. We went in with a teaspoon of garlic powder. If you're using the paste or the fresh one, include it while frying the onions or blend it together with the peppers, okay? If you notice, we went in with some seasoning, salt, stir and allow to fry for a minute and introduce your protein. This is grilled mackerel fish. Pour that in and give it a nice stir. Quick one, guys. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. My name is Ijoma. Here I post videos on how to make easy, delicious cooking recipes, baking, delectable small chops, snacks, and more. So if it sounds interesting to you, hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. Alright guys, our delicious fish pepper sauce is ready, as well as our roasted plantain, all set. Now, here comes our delicious soft beans, very tasty. It is ready as well. Can you see how soft it looks? And the consistency, I mean the thickness. Yeah, so you have to cook it until it gets to this point. Use your masher to mash some up. So when you eat it, it melts in the mouth. That's the idea. Now that the beans, plantains, and sauce is ready, let's move on to mixing them up. So in a clean dry bowl, go in with the plantains. Make sure to cut them up into bite sizes, just like so. Next thing, scoop in your beans and the sauce, just like you're watching or seeing on the screen. Lovely, looking delicious. Now I'll go in with some leafy greens. This is spinach. Afterwards, stir, like take your time to stir it until everything is well combined. If you like raw onions, pepper, feel free to include it as well. But for me, it is perfect just like this. Let me use this opportunity to welcome my newest subscribers. Guys, welcome on board. And to my returning subscribers, guys, welcome back again. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Please give it up, okay? Thank you. Alright guys, let's continue. Now, I like mixing portion by portion, but if you don't want it or you don't have the time, you can mix everything together and serve at once. Like this one is just for one person. Now, place in the fish, scoop in the pepper sauce, and that's it. It is ready. Oh my, and there you have it guys, a delicious finger-licking, mouth-watering beans plantain recipe is set. Please give it a go and share it to your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out as well. Alright guys, we've come to the end of today's cooking, and thank you so much for joining me today. Now, here is the best part for me. It is time to test. Guys, get your spoon and let's do it together. Yummy, it tasted great, like super delicious. No capping, no long talk. Give it a go and thank me later. You can see double thumbs up. See you guys in my next one. Bye.